And just like that, the Dragster is finish welded, sandblasted, and painted. Let's take a look. Starting from the front, little tab there for a headlight, gas tank mounts, diagonals and uprights here and here to try and stiffen it up a little bit, firewall, master cylinder brackets, this is for the steering column, this is the throttle stop, master cylinder plate, plates here and here are for the pedal assembly, little tab for the throttle cable, mounts for the gauge panel, switch panel, shifter mounts, seat tabs, seat brackets, helmet bars, fuel pump bracket, tabs for the deflector plate, saddle mounts for the mid plate / adapter plate, more tabs for the radiator mounts, battery boxes. This is a little nose bracket that I made for the 9-inch. I had to do these because the original ones were crap. Shorten the chassis a foot through here and put this diagonal in. And then I just made some inserts here. These are for future reference. Brake line tabs all the way up, and then underneath over there is for the fuel line. And then over here, these two are going to be the, here, I'll grab it real quick. These two hold the combination tail light kill switch, like that. So that's it. It's pretty much a kit now. It's already been together. I have all the hardware. Now it's just reassemble and wire. And this thing is going to be done. It'll be done for sure for next season, I guess, right? But wait, there's more. I got something else to show you too. This is the 700R out of the Z car. Finally got it back. So hopefully its problems are behind it. It's a full manual valve body constant pressure reverse pattern. And it had some problems with forward gear line pressure. I think we've got it solved though. Hopefully, fingers crossed. It's too much damn work to put this thing in and back out again, take it back out again if it doesn't work. So hopefully I can get that running in the next few weeks now. And directly behind it, of course, is the body for the Dragster. It's filthy. It was sitting outside, but and it's a pile of junk, but it's going to have to get me by for a while. I may pay somebody at some point to build me a body, but because I'm no sheet metal guy, that's for sure. So there you have it. We are now going to start painting little bits and pieces and assembling. Now it finally gets fun. It's been several years of doing stuff I didn't want to do. I really get tired of just grinding and welding and drilling. It just gets monotonous after a while. But here we are. We now have a kit car. So it should go together pretty quick. I still have some pieces to paint. That'll slow me down a little bit. I have some pieces to repaint. I have stuff I painted a few years ago that's now all scratched up. So I've got to do it all over again. And that's fine. We're going to start at the front end and work our way back. And I'll try and turn the camera on for some of that. I didn't turn the camera on for the sandblasting and painting because sand and overspray are not friendly to cameras. I just managed to get a few pictures off. I didn't record my welding because I suck at welding. If you want to watch welding videos, please go find somebody who can weld, because I'm no roadmap to how to fuse things together. That's for sure. Anyways, that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Have a great day.